What's up, guys? Today is a super awesome day. I picked this up from a guy in California. This is Borla's catback valved exhaust for the 2018 Golf R. We already got the car jacked up. We're pretty excited, so we're gonna get this thing on. Okay, you're not gonna be able to see really, but under the car, there's this massive bracket and brace. A couple of these we need to take off, and then the actual hangers for the exhaust. And we're gonna just kind of pull the old one out, and then we'll start buttoning the new one up. Okay, so currently we undid the hangers on the back, and now we're just dropping the exhaust. There's a 13 mil that holds the exhaust up right there. And the electronic valves are right here with an 8mm wrench. I'm just gonna undo them so that he can get out from underneath the car. Then we can unclip them safely without trying to do it with no room. Okay, after like not even maybe 20 minutes, bam, got it out. New exhaust. I don't know if we're gonna assemble it and put it in or put it in piece and then put the backside in. But the worst part is these little top kind of screws. You have to either somehow get to them with just your hand cranked, or you can drop the exhaust down a little bit if you take these off, which is where it was kind of easier way. We chose that way, worked a lot better. Now we just got to figure out the electronics and hook them up on the new one. Okay, so here's the electronic valves. Like I said, they were just resting up here. We unscrewed them and now they're free. So this little gray piece, you're gonna push down on this and then it's gonna help slide that out. If they're jammed, you can just kind of put a pick under there and help pull it out. Okay, valve is off the car. We're just gonna button them up with the screws right here. Then finally get this thing in the car. I'm so excited. All right, valves are on. Sweet cookie, Christmas Eve. Let's put it on. Okay, hangers are on. Exhaust is up. It's kind of hard to get there, but
you're not even on it.
We got it. Just kind of hard to hold it and do it at the same time, but that's essentially it. Okay, the exhaust is on. We're gonna go ahead and check for leaks, start putting stuff up, and we'll give you a video. Okay, first start. And we go down. Okay, first drive with the exhaust on in the winter of Idaho. Okay, ready, bud? Oh, that sounds pretty good. Wow, that's a little dicey. Look at it! video of the new Borla catback exhaust. Sounds perfect here in this winter wonderland. Thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna keep modifying this thing, and we'll see you in the next one.